Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to make video text. It's very pretty easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, open up Filmora software and now go to text. Now choose any of one. I'm choosing this. Now click on add to project. Okay. Now click the test layer and click the right button of your mouse. Go to edit. Go to advanced. Now just delete this layer. We don't need this layer. Okay, now you can text here anything, whatever you want. It can be your YouTube channel name or any project work name. Now you can resize it according to your choice. Okay, that's good. Okay, now change the color. White. It should be white. Now click on OK. Okay. Now just check this layer and you have to ripple off. Now it is in on position. Now you have to ripple off. Okay, now just delete this layer. Okay, now check it out. Okay, that's good. Now export. Okay, now close it. Now just delete this text. Now you have to import that video text, which video you have just exported. Now import another video file, that which video you want to add on this text. I'm choosing this. Okay, now drag this video and release there. Okay, and now drag this text video part second layer. Okay, now resize the video. Now click on second layer and go to green screen. Okay, now click on check. Now you can see the pencil bar here. Just click here. Okay, that's good. Now to shallow. Oh no, it's not going good, so you don't need to check on shallow. Now go to border. Distance should be 0. Okay, that's good. Now just now click on OK. That's it. So as you can see, here is your video text. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. As always, this is Onik Shobonik and I am signing out. Have a nice day.